Hey guys, come and take a look at what I did to my tail light. Check that out, all smashed up. I was out exploring on a bush track, trying to back out of a heavily overgrown track and hit a small tree and busted her up. To be honest, I'm actually not too upset about the broken tail light. I've actually wanted to replace these tail lights for quite some time, and I've always liked the look of the HIMOD tail lights. They're a darkened, blacked out LED tail light, and they look fantastic. So I reached out to the guys at HIMOD. They've been kind enough to send me a new pair of tail lights, as well as the light that goes into the tailgate just there. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these tail lights. It's like a 10 to 15 minute job. It's super easy. It's a plug and play system. So we're going to hook in. I haven't actually unboxed the taillights yet. I've been waiting to do this video to share that unboxing with you guys. So we'll unbox the taillights, have a look at them, and then get them in. Let's go. All right, cool. So as you can see, first of all, in the box on the top there, there's basically some instruction videos or QR codes to instruction videos, and you will also note they also do tail lights for all types of cars. So mine's a Hilux obviously, but you can get them for your Ford Ranger, your Isuzus, Navaras, Amrocs, all sorts of stuff. Air freshener, sticker. This here I would be guessing is the light for the tailgate. Yep, nice. How nice do they look? Sweet. I'll peel that plastic off. They look so cool. I can't wait to see these on the car and with the lights on. They look amazing. Yeah, wow. Very cool. So there you go, side by side, you can see the difference in the style and the look of those. It's going to make a huge difference on the car. Alright, so the first thing we need is a 10mm socket. Let's grab that one, that should be 10, yep. Now what you need to have done, like I have, is drop your tailgate, and all you need to do is undo these two bolts right there. And then you can pretty much pop your tail light out, unplug that one, plug the next one in. So let's do that. Pull your tail light forward and it just pops straight out like that. So basically you just push your finger on that to push the clip down, give it a good pull, and that's that. Now this one here on the left hand side, I've actually wired in some reverse lights on the back of the car, so I'm just going to have to cut that off and then rewire it in there a little differently. Just give that edge a quick little clean, get the dirt off it. Alright, so here's the new light. So basically we've just got to plug, like I said, it's a plug and play system. We'll just plug that straight into there. And I'll just push that in there. I'm just going to turn the headlights on the car and just double check that I've got that connected properly. Yeah, beautiful, look at that, that's cool. Cool as. So we'll just pop those two screws back in this side. So we go, one down, let's do the other one. We'll just rinse and repeat. Loosen these off. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of the other videos I've done on my rig as well. She's cactus. Unplug this one. Give that a little wipe down. There's actually a little bit of paint come off there, so I might just touch that up. I've got a bit of touch-up paint. I'll do the right thing here. I've got a bit of rust converter, so rust remover, primes and seals, so I'll just get a bit of that on there. All right, so while we're waiting for that rust converter to dry, we'll do the light in the tailgate here. So again, you just need to drop your tailgate down. You're gonna need a screwdriver, and we're just gonna take this little panel out here. It's basically a little clip here. We can just push down. It's just holding the wires up, the cable up. Let's get my little screwdriver. Just push those wings in carefully. 1, 2, pop that out. Then I can unplug this light. So that's undone. And then this other light just has clips. It's clipped up on the metal there. Just got to pull those clips in, both sides, and then she just pops out nice and easy. That's it. Super easy. Got our new HIMOD light. Beautiful. And then from the bottom, the underside, we're just going to push that up. So I'll just push it up. Is that the right way? Yep. Until it clicks in. Easy. Connect that cable. Like that. Pop that plug back up through there. And that's it. Nice, that's cool. All right, we can touch that up. I've got a little bottle of touch-up paint, which I keep handy. Little stone chips and things. So we'll give her a little cover up. Okay, let's get this last light in there, hey? Oh yeah, we're done, and how good do they look? They look so good. I'm so stoked with those. They are unreal. I'd ask the dog under the car here, but he's been asleep the whole time. Not one bit of help from him, but mate, these things are so good. I love them. They fit really well. Fit right in really nicely. So easy to fit in. Took probably like 15 minutes tops if you're doing it from where to go without having to film. They are good. Here's a few before and afters for you. Let us know in the comments below what you think. These HIMOD taillights not only look amazing, they are built tough with the latest LED technology. They also come with a 2-year warranty and loads of support from the team here in Australia. I'll leave a link below to HIMOD so you can check them out and get a pair for your own rig. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to catch you next time.